Hello friends, today here in our lab we will be testing this Leuze vision sensor. The one in here, that is the one with the internal lens. We have it here physically. This is the model ACR300i. So you see here that is with the lens integrated. There is two versions, one with the lens integrated and one with the one that you can change lens. So we'll be testing today this one, reading some data matrix and some optical character recognitions. Then we have here the software we will be using to control and configure the sensor. It's not in there yet because we don't have it powered up yet, but we will be there soon. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how this sensor can read this data matrix and these images and characters. Thank you. We will be back soon. Right now we have it powered on, and now you can see the lights there. They have internal LEDs and internal lens. So you can, there is like 8 LEDs that you can switch on off if you need. So right here now, we have in here the find button, and you can press it, and then you will have the sensor in here available. Now that we have the sensor, we can go here in view, and we will have here the image. So if we see the screen in there, the big screen, we see the image right now. Now it's just a matter of setting what we want to inspect. But before, we will have a nice focus, the correct light angles and everything, and then we will inspect some things. So let's wait for this. Okay, we have here the sensor. I have the lights off. So now in here you can see the difference. We will turn on the top light first. If you use this one, you will see that you just have the top lights. Now we can turn on the bottom one. So we have the bottom lights. Then we can turn on the left side. And then you have the right side. If you have everything turned on, it will be like that, or the lights. Here in the software, you have these LEDs here where you can control. Put your mouse in there, and you just select which one you want. Turn off, everything off, and you can turn on whatever you need. In this case, we'll turn on everything. Now in the screen we will put something to inspect. Let's check it out. We have in here, we already set the focus, and the light will be like that in an angle to avoid reflection. So let's see, now we will configure some inspections to see how this works. Right now we are looking to a focus image, so it's not really in focus. We can improve that. We have the screw to adjust the focus in the back side of the sensor. Okay, we are getting better. Nice. Be sure we have the best we can. That is better focus image. So now we will play with the pattern to see if we can have this logo as a pattern. In here we have the screen to eliminate the area that we don't need in the pattern. So in here you can remove or add pixels. So we will remove areas that we don't care or we don't want to inspect. We can put the cursor size bigger, so we will have this yellow dot or square a little big, so it will be easy for you to eliminate more area. You see, now it's bigger, so I don't want to inspect this area. I just want the logo. I will not check the letters and nothing about that, just the logo. So we can remove all this area that we don't care or we don't want to inspect, and then it will not be there. We just want to do the pattern as most precise we can. We can do this very precise because we can decrease the size of the cursor, but for this example I think will be enough. So then when we have it like that, we can set the pattern. Let's say that is like that. We just click OK, and now in here we have our pattern there. This will be our pattern. So the yellow area is the one that we eliminate. We will not inspect that. So then in here now in the inspection we can set the other parameters, and then we can run a test. In here we have a pattern looking for the Vanguard Vision logo. Just these two B's here. The letters, we just eliminate that from the model. So if we see here, we have a trigger, and this pattern match 97.4%, so it's passed. So I set the threshold to 85 as the minimum and to 100, so it's passing because we are greater than 85. If I move this here and trigger again, now it's outside, so we're failing. The pattern is 74, the score, so it's failing. Then let's try to put it back, and now we have 91. So in here now is a little bit closer. Inside this yellow box, that is the region of the section.